Welcome back sa aking channel at sa video ito ay tatalakayin ko ang factoring the difference of two squares. Ituloy nyo lang ang panonood at ito ay gagawin kong simple, detalyado at madaling intindihin. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please subscribe para updated ka sa mga susunod na video i-upload ko dito. Ito na nga ang second lesson ng grade 8 mathematics at simulan natin sa ilang definition of terms. Difference of two squares is a binomial where the first and second terms are perfect squares. Perfect squares is a number or expression whose root is a whole number and exponent is even. Conjugates are two binomials with the same first terms and opposite second terms. To illustrate our topic, x squared minus y squared equals quantity x plus y quantity x minus y. X squared minus y squared is called the difference of two squares. Quantity x plus y is the sum of two terms. Quantity x minus y is the difference of two terms. If they will join together, it will be called conjugates. And please remember this because this is the main idea of our topic. The conjugates are the factors of the difference of two squares. On the next tables are the squared numbers from 1 to 15 and examples of squared expressions. Example 16 is a squared number whose base is 4. 64 is a squared number whose base is 8. 225 is a squared number whose base is 15. Another use of the table is getting the square root. Example, square root of 49 equals 7. Square root of 144 equals 12. To get the square root of expressions or exponent, just divide the exponent by 2. In our activity 1, we will determine if the following are perfect squares or not, difference of two squares or not. Number 1, k squared minus 16 is a difference of two squares because exponent 2 is even, 16 is a squared number. Number 2 is also a difference of two squares because exponents are even, 81 is a squared number. Number 3, not a difference of two squares because 50 is not a perfect square number. Number 4, not a difference of two squares because even though exponent is even, numbers are squared numbers, they are both negative. Number 5, not a difference of two squares because the exponent is not even. Next, the following are the steps in factoring difference of two squares. Step 1, get the principal square roots of its two terms. Step 2, using the principal square roots, form two factors. One is a sum and the other is a difference. I think we are ready. Exercise number 1, factor x squared minus 4. Get the square root of the first term which is x squared equals x. Get also the square root of 4 which is equal to 2. Next, express the first as sum of two terms and express the second as difference of two terms. Therefore, the factors of x squared minus 4 equals quantity x plus 2, quantity x minus 2. Again, please remember, they are conjugates. Number 2, factor 16x squared minus 81. Get the square root of 16x squared equals 4x. Square root of 81 equals 9. Express the first as the sum, the second as difference. Therefore, the factors of 16x squared minus 81 are quantity 4x plus 9 and quantity 4x minus 9. Number 3, factor 144x squared minus 64y squared. Square root of 144x squared equals 12x. Square root of 64y squared equals 8. Again, express the first binomial as sum, the second as difference. Again, the factors of 144x squared minus 64y squared equals quantity 12x plus 8 and quantity 12x minus 8. Number 4, factor 49x to the 6 minus y to the 4th. Square root of 49x to the 6 equals 7x cubed. Just divide the exponent by 2. Square root of y to the 4th equals y squared. Again, express the first factor as sum and the second factor as difference. Therefore, the factors of 49x to the 6 minus y to the 4th are quantity 7x cubed plus y squared, quantity 7x cubed minus y squared. Number 5, factor 25x squared y squared minus 169m to the 14th n to the 8th. Square root of 25x squared y squared equals 5xy. Square root of 169m to the 14th n to the 8th equals square root of 169 equals 13, m14 divided by 2 equals m to the 7th, n to the 8th divided by 2 equals n to the 4th. Again, express the first factor as sum, second factor as difference. Therefore, the factors of 25x squared y squared minus 169m to the 14th n to the 8th equals quantity 5xy plus 13m to the 7th n to the 4th, quantity 5xy minus 13m to the 7th n to the 4th. Muli, kung nagustuhan mo at nakatulong sa iyo ang video na ito, please like. At pakishare mo na rin para makatulong din tayo sa